Let's start by naming your profile. Click the Create Profile button and add a job title. When you're done, click Add. A new profile should appear on the screen. Now let's add job-relevant information to the profile. First, fill out the work experience section. Be sure to include key responsibilities and achievements. In the education section, fill out your degree or certification details and other education information. Now list your skills. Select or enter relevant skills that align with the type of jobs you're applying for. Next, set up your job eligibility and preferences. This section includes important details that employers may require, such as your willingness to relocate, authorization status, background information, and demographic details. Completing this section ensures that Multapply can accurately fill out applications that request this information. Now your profile is complete. If you're applying to different types of jobs, you can create multiple profiles. This allows you to easily switch between them based on the job you're targeting.